Markets end a volatile session at the day's low. Now, the Nifty ended below the 6,300 level, whereas the Sensex shaved off about 50 points in the trading day today. Looking at the sectors, IT and real estate stocks saw some amount of profit booking as investors chose to take some chips off the table. So that was a snapshot, but Tanveer Gill joins us with a detailed market wrap. Tanveer.
Well, it was a quiet session for the market. In fact, the market circled around 6,300 mark for the better part of trade. However, towards the dying minutes of the session, the market actually closed lower, below the 6,300 mark at 62.90. In terms of stock-specific activity, you had a BHEL, a Coal India, a Reliance Industries, which closed around 890, whereabouts for that stock. HUL, that did well for itself. NMDC, Tata Motors, SS Sterlite was in focus on the reopening of the Karnataka mines there. And the fact that they would be able to sell all their produce through online auctions, that they would be able to actually produce 1.2 to 1.8 million tons of iron ore by March. That kept the stock in focus. On the losing side, they had DLF, which was a bit weak. You had ACC, Ambuja Cement, Ultratech Cement, all of those stocks succumbed to selling pressure. Bajaj Auto was a bit weak in the session. So was Infosys, and that had a rub-off really on the entire banking space. The Bank Nifty was down in the red. Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, some of the key private bank names were also in the red. L&T closed lower in the session. For the broader markets, you had stocks such as Financial Technologies, Gati, TVS Motors, IL&FS Engineering, Cox & Kings, Navy Lignite, which were active in session. Also some of the small cap names, Navneet Publications, Tata Lexi, you had stocks such as Mercator, Wockhardt, Colgate, that picked up momentum. Trend on the back of Tesco's clearance for FDI is going to be a stock to watch out for. It has gained 23% in anticipation of this news. So the news, finally seeing the light of day, the clearance coming in will definitely, mean positive, a positive uptake really for the stock. Railway stocks were in focus on the back of a potential FDI opening for the sector. And that buzz brought about a fair amount of excitement. Big volume and price action was seen for Texmaco and Kalandi Rail. On the losing side, you had Gitanjali Gems, Jyoti Structures, Orchid Chemicals, Heritage Foods. Jindal saw there were some of the stocks which closed lower in the session. But broadly, like I said, it was a very stock-specific day within a narrow band.